Jai Hind friends. Many people, especially beginners, look for one thing when it comes to money safety. The idea is simple: protect capital, avoid risk, and grow money slowly. It sounds responsible, and in many ways it is. However, the concept of safe investment is often misunderstood. In reality, safety in investing is not about avoiding all risk. It is about balancing risk and return in a way that protects your money while still allowing it to grow. Let us look at some of the most common safe investment options in India. One of the most popular choices is fixed deposits. They are simple, predictable, and widely trusted. You know exactly how much return you will get, and your capital remains secure. However, the downside is that the returns are usually low, often close to the rate of inflation. This means your money is not truly growing in real terms. Another option is Public Provident Fund or PPF. It is backed by the government, offers tax benefits, and provides stable long-term returns. It is one of the safest options available, especially for long-term planning. However, it comes with a lock-in period, which reduces liquidity. Debt mutual funds are also considered relatively safer compared to equity investments. They invest in bonds and fixed income securities and can provide slightly better returns than traditional savings options. But they are not completely risk free and require basic understanding. Gold is another form of safe investment that many Indians prefer. It acts as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. While it may not generate regular income, it helps preserve value over time. Finally, there are index funds. While technically part of the stock market, they are considered safer than picking individual stocks. By investing in the overall market, they reduce the risk of poor stock selection and provide steady long-term growth. The key idea here is simple. No investment is complete risk-free. Even keeping money in a saving account carries the risk of losing value due to inflation. So, instead of chasing zero risk, the smarter approach is to choose investments that are relatively safe while still allowing your money to grow. A balanced strategy works best. Keep a portion of your money in safe instruments for stability and allocate some towards growth oriented options, because in the long run, real safety is not just about protecting money, it is about ensuring that your money keeps up with the future. Consider subscribing for more contents.